We'll guide you through how to use the Claude Code Editor effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Code Editor website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to create an account if you haven't already. Look for the Sign UP button in the top right corner and click on it. Fill in your details and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Here, click on Create New Project to start working on your code. You'll be prompted to give your project a name and select the programming language you're going to use. Once you've done that, click Create. Now, you're in the main coding environment. The interface is divided into several sections: the File Explorer on the left, the Code Editor in the center, and the Output Console at the bottom. You can start coding directly in the editor. If you need to add more files to your project, simply click the Add File button in the File Explorer. You can choose to create a new file or upload an existing one from your computer. As you write your code, you'll notice that the editor offers features like syntax highlighting and auto-completion, which can help streamline your coding process. Once you've written some code and want to test it, look for the Run button, usually located at the top of the editor. Clicking it will execute your code and display the output in the console below. If there are errors, the console will show you where they are, allowing you to debug effectively. You can also use the integrated version control system to manage changes to your project over time. Just click on the version control menu and follow the steps to commit changes or revert to previous versions. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking the save icon or pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. This ensures that none of your hard work gets lost. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.